up and down like a pogo.
Hey guys, it's Abigail Egg and I'm back with another video, a bit of a different one. So today I have a lovely hairstyle in. I absolutely love this hair, and this video is sponsored by Elfin hair. So Elfin hair essentially specialize in miracle knots, and they provide hair in different lengths, textures for you to do your miracle knots. These are my miracle knots.
Never feel me, never feel me.
So I got sent the 20 inches in Burmese curly, and guys, this 20 inches is very long. Obviously it looks very shrunken, but this 20 inches goes down to my back, guys. Like, it literally goes down into my back. It is 100% human hair, and honestly guys, I am absolutely in love with this hairstyle. I just absolutely love, and I just love it. So when I got sent this hair, I got sent it in a package. These are 2 packets. I got sent 2 packets. Inside we have a wig cap, and we have a guidance. We have a guidance on how to take care of the curly hair tool, showing you different Elfin hair products. So I absolutely love the Elfin hair brand, and I'm going to talk you guys through how I installed this beautiful hair. So first of all, my hairstylist started by braiding down my natural hair. So I requested small knotless, and she parted it very small, as you can see in these clips, and essentially she just braided down my natural hair. Installing this hair was very easy. It takes literally under 4 hours to install this hair. My hairstylist did it in under 4 hours. I started at 8, I was out the chair by 2. So that was really quick. It is a really quick hairstyle, and it is a very long lasting hairstyle. This is my hair nearly a week old, and it still looks fresh as new. After she braided down my hair, it was very easy to crochet in. So she just took the hook and crocheted in the hair. As you can see, the hair is very easily crocheted in. Like, it has like a little thin part, and then obviously the actual hair. I do not recommend cutting the wefts. I just recommend crocheting it in like that, and you'll be absolutely fine. When she crocheted it in, everything was fine. And then obviously we didn't do the crochet method for the this part, so she just braided it down like it was part of my hair, and it just like stayed like this. This way is really easy to take it out. I've been seeing a lot of people saying that, oh, the taking out process for miracle knots is very hard, or it's very hard to take out miracle knots, very hard to take out miracle knots. If you just braid it like you're doing goddess braids, it'll be very easy to take out. But guys, I absolutely love this hairstyle. Like, I think this will be my new signature hairstyle, and I will be sharing you guys different hair textures. Elfin hair are gonna send me more hair textures to try out. So when they send me different hair textures, I will give you guys my honest review. And guys, my honest review about this hair is that it is top tier. It is 100% quality. Like, look at these bouncy curls. I didn't even do anything to it today. Yesterday I literally just sprayed water in it, twisted it, and then I woke up, untwisted it, and it just looks like this. Like, you can even brush out the curls if you want like fuller look. The first day I did it, I went for the fuller look, and I'll insert clips here. You can even brush it out, go for a fuller look, or you can really define the curls and go for a wet look, which is what I kind of went for today. So yeah guys, make sure to use my code. I will have a discount code in the description where you guys can get a certain amount of percentage off your hair. I really recommend that you guys buy this hair, because even my hairstylist said that when you don't have good hair for miracle knots, the miracle knots will never work out. And like I mentioned before, they provide different hair types. They provide Burmese curly, water wave, just wavy hair, body wave. They also provide Spanish wave, different types of hair textures. So if you don't like really curly hair like this and you want really loose waves, they also provide that, and that's all in their website. Everything will be linked below, guys. Their website, their social media, my TikTok, so you can see my videos on it and you can see the process. But guys, this hair is TT. I 100% recommend it. 100% human hair. I wouldn't recommend any other brand. There is zero shedding, guys. I combed it out yesterday. The hair didn't shed one bit. Now that's what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. I absolutely love Elfin hair. Elfin hair, you did your big one. So I really recommend you guys this hair and enjoy these clips of me after I got my hair done. I will see you guys in the next one.
Yes. You move me through my rounds, through every up, every down. I'm calling on my savior. I got you direct like a nectar. I know.